The standard path usually leads to a specific dead end. You graduate at the top of your class only to find a job that barely covers the rising cost of living, leaving you trapped under high-interest debt and the fear of being replaced by automation. However, some individuals are earning $15,000 a month with no debt and total geographic freedom. They operate as digital architects, building specialized systems that businesses are willing to pay a premium for. Our goal today is to map out your path to $10,000 a month without needing startup capital. Before we start, grab a pen and a piece of paper. You will be building your specific business blueprint as we walk through these steps. Financial freedom relies on your ability to design a system where you own the results of your labor. By establishing your own operational rules, you bypass the fixed salary caps of the traditional corporate hierarchy. Most educational systems focus on fixing your weaknesses. If you struggle with math, you're given extra lessons. If you dislike public speaking, you're forced into it. The efficient route to growth is to double down on what you're already naturally good at. Digital success is governed by 4 categories of natural talent: the organizer, the analyst, the communicator, or the creative. Organizers bring structure and manage complex systems. Analysts break down data to spot patterns. Communicators excel at explaining ideas and persuading others. Creatives connect dots to build original concepts. Identify which of these 4 profiles aligns with your natural tendencies and write it at the top of your notepad. This is your primary competitive advantage. A natural organizer will build a functional business system in a fraction of the time it takes someone fighting their own nature. This inherent speed allows you to deliver higher quality work than those who rely solely on formal qualifications. To reach a $10,000 monthly target, your service must address the core needs of a business. You must either increase their revenue, reclaim their time, or reduce their expenses. These are the 5 high-leverage services currently in demand: brand identity, AI automation, deal-making, video editing, and funnel creation. If you are a creative or an organizer, focus on brand identity or video editing to increase a brand's perceived value. Analysts and communicators should look toward AI automation, deal-making, or funnel creation to build logical workflows and profitable sponsorships. The specific service you choose is simply a vehicle. Its success depends on whether it fulfills one of our core rules while leveraging your natural talent. The skill-maxing loop flips traditional learning. You will use a 5-step cycle to build your business: define, sell, deliver, fix, and systemize. First, define your service in its simplest form, then go directly to the market and sell it. Real-world rejection reveals exactly what clients are actually willing to pay for. Once you land a client, you must deliver the work. The pressure of a paid contract forces you to solve problems quickly. After delivery, fix the bottlenecks using AI to automate repetitive tasks. The final step is to systemize your operations. Long-term income is built on reliability. If you miss deadlines, you lose repeat business. You can manage this by using integrated software to handle your day-to-day administration. Tools that automate invoicing and track client communications ensure you aren't wasting time manually chasing payments or searching for lost emails. Each time you complete this loop, you gain more data. Your pitch becomes sharper, your delivery becomes faster, and your ability to raise prices compounds. 2 people can perform the same task to the same standard and receive wildly different paychecks. This is because market value is determined by how you position your output. A typical freelancer sells a feature. I design logos. This is a commodity judged on price. A digital architect sells an outcome. I increase your perceived value so you can charge more. One is an expense. The other is a direct contribution to their bottom line. Return to your notepad. Translate your chosen service into a pitch that focuses on the result for the business owner. Describe what the work does for them, not just what it is. Casey Neistat provides a clear example of how a specialized personal brand creates leverage. By maintaining a distinct visual style and a visible presence, he established himself as an authority in the digital creator space. When he sold his company to CNN for $25 million, the value wasn't in the technical assets alone. The acquisition was driven by the trust and recognition he had built through his personal brand. Your social media profile acts as your digital storefront. To match your premium pitch, you must remove clutter and use a clear, professional headshot. Your bio should state exactly who you help and the specific financial or time-saving outcome you provide. When your profile reflects your outcome-based pitch, business owners view your outreach as a solution to their problems. This professional alignment moves you past initial skepticism and leads directly into high-value sales meetings. Look at your notepad. You have completed the foundational planning for a specialized digital service business. You have identified your natural advantage, selected a profitable vehicle, mapped out your operational loop, and rewritten your pitch to focus on client outcomes. Your final task for today is to take that pitch and send it to 5 local businesses. This moves you from the planning stage into active execution. Wealth is generated when you stop collecting information and start providing value. Move into the real-world earning phase now. Get to work.